big airplane.
Yeah, first big airplane, not little airplane. All right, let's go. Go, go, go. Ooh, should we get pickles? Fried pickles.
Sitting in front of the sun. She bought from Pizza Hut.
Come on, Macy. You got it?
Yes.
All right. Fun. There was one of them. We got to see where the other one comes out. There go our snowboard bags. See them?
I see another one.
Yep. That flower one's ours.
Daddy, we don't.
Okay, now let the kids in. Wow, here's suitcases over here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are traveling to the south. Alright everybody, so we made it to Tacoma, Washington. We are actually here for a sports meet for the kids. The fun part is we are going to leave on Saturday and we are going up to the mountains to do hopefully some snowboarding. There's a storm coming in, so I'm hoping the weather doesn't get too nasty. Everybody is super excited to be here. And we're gonna go get some breakfast. Hopefully somewhere good. And because we live in Alaska, shipping can get pretty wonky. So we had some stuff shipped to Washington and we're gonna go pick it up this morning.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I missed count. Oh yeah. Wow. I don't think we want to walk 23.
Look at, they have to wait over there. That's so cool. I wouldn't want to be waiting over there, but still cool.
There's container ships.
You just now noticed it?
So I was eating that way. I looked at all the containers and I saw the tug.
We should buy a few tugboats and play bumper cars.
Oh gosh.
Oh, that's the coast.
Okay, we're stopping through the tunnel.
Container boat coming in. Driving under the dock.
So they have the boats come in, and then they have all this big flat land that they can store containers and move stuff around and load ships and unload ships. And
And we're driving under there.
yeah,
Still not the longest tunnel we've ever been in.
if you want to call this driving.
Yeah.
We're driving under where they're looking.
You guys have been in the longest tunnel.
I know. What's the longest?
And going to Whittier.
Straight through.
We went through a mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The water's probably like over there somewhere.
Oh well.
No, that's going to cost us money.
What is?
This.
Oh, you have to pay to get off here?
Oh no, they just charge the vehicle,
Oh.
so it'll come off whatever card we used.
Oh, okay. That's kind of a cool building.
I can barely see through the crack. Whoa!
Oh, yummy. Cam's biscuits falling apart. Owen got regular biscuits over there. What did Daddy get?
The hot stuff.
Ooh, look at that.
Let me see.
Mama got yumness. Yes. How was
Wonderful.
breakfast? Was good?
Yes. What, that brown guy?
The only downside was we spent $3 too much for parking because we were done well within an hour.
Yeah. So.
Because when it's 36 degrees outside and you're standing outside eating, you eat.
Let's walk. Let's walk out.
Yeah, we ate real quick. It's a little bit warmer than being in Alaska, though. I think it's 36 degrees. It's a different kind of cold.
It's way warmer.
It's way warmer.
Yeah, it's a lower 48 cold.
I don't know.
It's like 40 degrees difference.
All right, off to the next destination.
Next stopo.
Space Needle. Hey, look. Owen wrote his name on the building.
No, I did not.
It's in Owen's writing, too.
No, it's not. It's not in my writing. It's a picture I saw from the airplane.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Fishing boats down there.
Yeah, they do a lot of fishing out of here, too, just like they do in Alaska. Not that he remembers. Boats, 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 boats. Oh, look, one from Alaska.
Yeah, they got boats in Alaska. Boats.
Boats. Hey, this one looks cool. I'm betting that's somebody's house.
Mama's moving out.
Future of flight.
Why are we here? Is this the airport?
Is on the right.
What is with all the green airplanes?
They're avocado airplanes.
All right, Daddy. So where did we go? This was your pick.
We are at Future of Flight. It is the Boeing Museum. So we're gonna see what this is all about.
Let's go check out some airplanes. It's okay.
What type of airplane is that?
Joanne.
Up there.
Yeah, it's the big ass fan company.
That's cool.
Oh, they don't put it on there anymore. It just says big fans.
Oh, really? It doesn't say big ass fans?
No.
Oh, man. No, up there?
Yeah, right above where they come together.
Yeah.
Right there.
You've taken that off?
This is where the rudder ratio dealio is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, when they're getting a signal saying that the rudder's not going far enough, you have to open it and measure it and make sure it's touching the stops.
Hey, look, Alaska.
Yep.
I don't know where they went. They're over here somewhere. Okay, that's inside. All right, do it. So it's like you're looking down?
It's like you're looking down the earth.
Oh, like you're looking.
That's this one.
Okay.
It's inside.
All right, do it. So it's like you're looking down?
It's like you're looking down the earth. We're in the space shuttle.
Yeah?
At least there's glass you will fall through.
Cool.
I don't.
Different controls.
Wait, there's controls.
I feel like we should touch one.
All the different components.
I'm standing above the earth.
Cool, huh?
Look at all the different controls.
Wait, there's
I
controls
feel like we
down
should touch
below.
one.
All the different components.
I'm standing above the earth.
It's cool, huh?
It's kind of scary at the same time.
I feel like you could fall through somewhere.
What is this, an escape pod?
Really?
Crew healthcare system.
Where are you keeping these?
A treadmill?
Yeah. We're in space. You
That's
can run upside down.
That's so weird. Yeah,
That's the only
you
way I
use.
run.
Yeah, I would say use
That's
the
the only way
treadmill.
I run.
You use the treadmill.
As long as it leads to the buffet.
This combination of early technology, proprietary software, human oversight.
Hello?
You're going around in circles.
Yeah, it's what Owen does in his coding
bus is gonna
class.
be-
which one makes him go the fastest?
Or what makes him jump and do cool things?
Let's see this way.
Okay, we're gonna watch turbo mode.
Before I hit it. I have to break the child.
I got him out! No, I got him out for a second. I got him out!
They're not Pokemon. You can't catch them all.
No.
For this
Why
purse.
is everyone going over here?
Because we go where they tell us to go.
Yeah. We're going to be on the next ride.
It's all alone. Here we go, broskies. Whoa, was that person supposed to go?
Take the Clinton, Mukilteo Ferry to Clinton.
They weren't waiting? Lights out. Your lights are off.
Continue on Clinton, Mukilteo for 3 miles.
Hey, why can't we do it there? Why can't we drive up there?
Put one hand and something in the other.
Hey, do you know what?
That's
We're
cool,
lucky
there's a
that this
second
car's
deck.
small.
Look at this. They drove up and around and then come down right here and then he chalks the first one. Oh no, he's got to chalk all of them.
All the ones on the hill. Over it got breezy.
Yeah, because we were
Started
moving. I'm like, it's breezy in here. Here we go.
Can you roll up the window?
Mommy's filming.
You're such a ding dong.
Hey, the map isn't broken. It says we're floating in the ocean. We are floating in the ocean.
Well, because sometimes when we go home, it says that we're in the river. We're on the road. Hey, we're actually scooting now. This is such a weird feeling.
Sitting in the car, not going anywhere, but actually moving. Yeah, it's
And
true.
it's got like a bump to it, like you're actually like driving down the
It
road.
feels like we're sinking.
It doesn't tell us we're moving though on the map. That's weird.
I know, huh? There goes the other boat.
Oh my god.
Yep, pedestrians go first, and then this motorcycle, and then we will be cleared to get off.
Come on, connect. That
Oh.
the driftwood.
There was driftwood over there. So how was that for you guys?
Awesome.
That was pretty cool. No, I was choking on my own spit.
That's some good saliva.
That was the first for us. We've never been on a ferry, so that was pretty cool. How do you pronounce it where we are? Whidbey? We're on Whidbey Island, is that how you say it?
Something like that.
Something like that? Okay, so Charlie found a place to eat over here that's pretty good, and that's why we took the ferry over here.
Then your destination will be on the
So hopefully it's good. This is the place we're coming to eat at.
Now we're in Clinton.
We're in Clinton? Clinton. Gotcha. Callum's leading the way, apparently. Okay, Daddy got this clam chowder soup that's like almost gone. Mac and cheese bites. Well, that's the leftover of our food. Owen liked his burger. It's gone. And, well, they have a little bit of pizza left over. The food was good, but we were hungry, so we ate it all.
What did that piece for me?
All right, we had to come all the way to Washington to see snow. It's snowing. All right, dinner was really good, but now we have to rush to make the next ferry in order to get going back to the hotel for the evening.
Literally no leftovers.
Nope, no leftovers.
A little windy out here.
I'll leave it down. You can hear the jets coming back. I'll seem really loud. You think those are 22s or 15s?
whatever they are.
They're loud.
They scooting.
This one too? Yep, they're the same. All right, so it's dark and we can't see any of the signs, but which one is this one called? Fort Casey? Ferry? I know that's the Fort Casey, I don't remember what this one is called. Is it on the map somewhere? It's not. I don't remember which ferry this is. Can we fit in there?
Yeah.
Jesus. Barely?
Yeah.
Holy cow. There's the mirror on this
Can our
side.
sleds fit in here? No.
This is
Oh, the door to go up is right there.
Is it
the
really?
elevator's right there.
interesting. Okay, we decided to get out of the car on this one. It's pretty cold. Okay, follow Daddy. Hold on to railing. Why not? They're not letting you go out there because of the storm.
Following message is important to safety announcement. For security reasons, we ask that passengers not leave any backpacks, luggage, packages, or other personal belongings unattended during this crossing. Upon arrival at our final destination.
Hey, guys. Calm down.
There's not that much people up here.
No, there's not. It's pretty cool.
All right, so where did we go over?
This is where we came across.
So we came across right there and we
And
ate.
we ate right here.
And then where we
And
drive?
then we came back and then drove all the way up here.
And now we're taking the ferry.
And now we're here somewhere.
Taking the ferry across over here. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, we're just looking. Look. Oh, cool. They have puzzles to kind of pass the time on here. We got some visitor guides. You see it? A little bit. Big rig waiting to get on.
Yep. Yes, it is.
Is this the bridge to Dawn's?
Oh, it says it right there. Drawbridge. Stop ahead when flashing.
This is the bridge to go into the city. Is this a drawbridge?
Yep.
Okay.
This is the way the big boats come in and get down to Boeing.
Oh, okay.
The 737 plant is right on the water and has port access.
Oh, okay.
Have I been across one of these?
We've been across the Golden Gate. That's as big as it gets.
Yeah, the bridge to San Francisco?
No, that's in San Francisco, honey.
What? It looks like the bridge from San Francisco.
It's like the bridge from
Yeah.
San Francisco.
It's a
except
suspend-
It's not gold.
Nope.
It's Tacoma colored.
It's a suspended bridge.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. How has been through one of these like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys have been across the Suspension Bridge before.
Yeah, we've been across the Golden Gate and what's the other one? Oakland and
Oakland's not suspension.
I only
No.
remember a Golden Gate Bridge.
what's the other one I'm thinking of? We went across another one, smaller one like this one.
Wait, so is the other one that we've been through actual gold?
No, it's
No,
just
they
in.
just call it that.
They just call it that.
Okay, let's go.
I see the dog!
like it?
He did pretty good.
Good morning, everybody. Well, we are done with our gymnastics, and today we are going to be heading up to the mountains. But first, we got to get breakfast because we are exhausted and we need food.
Dozen cupcakes. I want snacks.
Those and cupcakes.
I'm supposed to tire the food.
Got it. Is that good? He's guarding his hot chocolate. Owen, what are you doing? Guys, how was breakfast?
Yummy.
That was good, huh? Parker's hiding. Parker, how was breakfast?
It was good.
It was good.
As all them youngsters say, it was far.
Pancakes.
No, that's not what they say. I don't even know what the wording is. But yeah, it was
I
really
know,
good.
that was so last week.
Where are we going now?
James.
Where are we going?
The car.
We're not going to play games.
LeMay, fool, LeMay.
We are going to go to the LeMay's car museum. We passed by it. It looked awesome, so we're going to go check it out.
Go see some American cars. America.
America. God. I got it.
When it comes to Callum, it's his big ass head. They're asking what a giant dome is.
Big marshmallow.
Possibly. We used to have one of those. Ours was what, a 70? Yeah. I've ridden in one of those. Thunderbird? Ridden in one of those too. Chevy Impala. 71 Datsun. Check out that thing. Check out the old Volkswagen. Model A. I've ridden in one of those too. That's not Bumblebee, but it's still cool. Studebaker Electric? Express wagon? Interesting. Look at the tires on this thing. It is from the Flintstones. The Flintmobile. Heck no, look at the tires on that thing. A Willie's. Oh. It's a Honda from the Salt Flats. Bonneville Racers. Dude, look at that one. Yep. Oh. Dude, look who's on the wall.
Who's that? Is that Gordon?
Shut it.
Prototype.
Stuff you don't see very much anymore.
See the big picture?
One's so cool. I know, but that thing is so cool. Dude, that'd be so fun. Yep. Rain, shine, night, dark, doesn't matter.
And they say go.
Yep. Look at that thing. An old Epiphone, and then look, it's got the, hey look, Fender. An Austin Mini Cooper. This was like, dude. Dude, how would you fit in that thing? Look at all of you. Hey Charlie, original Nissan Skyline. It's pretty cool. Oh, we had one of those. All right, so we're done at the car museum. That was pretty cool. We're getting gas and we're gonna hopefully drive up to our Airbnb. We are estimated to get up to, I think it's at about 18 inches of snow tonight. So we're gonna kind of have to see how that goes. But yeah, so we're gonna drive up there. We need to unload this car, possibly drive back down into Bend. And is that what Daddy said it was called? Bend? The city? I think so.
I think so.
Well, I'm thinking like Bend, Oregon. It's not Oregon. But drive back down there, go to the store, and then so that way we have food to eat. So we'll see. It's crazy. It's not snowing right here, but you can see the line where it is snowing right there. Yep, we've hit the area where it is snowing now. That's where we're gonna be snowboarding, guys. There's a little bit of snow in here.
Snoqualmie Pass.
They carved it out. Well, I haven't seen carved out snow like this since we lived in Nevada and went up to like the Tahoe area. Home away from home for a few days. Wow. Ooh, they left the itty bitty Christmas tree. It's the living room. This is kind of cool. Bathroom. Where's the light at?
There is no light.
There's no light. Where is it? Behind the door? There's a shower behind the door. Okay, I don't know where the light is. Is it on the outside? It's on the outside. There's a little shower. Towels. Hey, they left a shampoo and stuff too. Cool. Where was the kitchen light? That one was over here? Ta-da! Didn't this one sleep 6? I thought ours sleep 6. Let me see.
Oh, I bet you that's...
Oh, couch bed. Because that looks like a king bed. That one looks like a queen. Yeah, it's couch bed. You are? Is that what you said? Oh. Kids look like they can go play in the snow in the back. Cute. Extra blankies. What's that?
Coffee making toaster.
Nice.
Coffee making supplies.
Comes fully equipped.
Maybe we should get some really nice wine. Is there a Target around here?
Anyways. Is that an actual, like, electric heater or what is it?
Oh, I'm sure it's electric. It's got a cord coming from the back.
Yeah. Well, I didn't think it was anything else. Nice view. All right. So we got all the kids inside and stuff, and we are going to run back down the highway to the store to grab some food and then come back. So that way we don't have to eat out so much. There's not a whole lot up here. Hardly anything, except if you want to go eat at one of the resorts. So we want to make sure we have food here since we have the ability to cook and refrigerate and all those good things. So we're going to go do that real quick. Hopefully before the storm gets worse, because it's starting to pick up. All right, so we got back and we got just a bunch of stuff that's easy to cook because I don't feel like doing dishes on my vacation. So we got some snacks for tomorrow, just some pizzas, just some fruit, some drinks. We don't need to see that because that's for Daddy. Got some ice cream, some breakfast stuff, some little like oatmeal cups and stuff. And that's all we pretty much got. And then I'm sure we're probably going to eat at least once on the mountain tomorrow or at the little lodge. So that way we don't have to drive all the way back to the Airbnb. But that's what we're doing for this evening. And the kids saw some kids out here playing in the snow. So they really want to go play in the snow because we don't have any snow at home to play in. They have a lot more snow here than we do. So I'm probably going to let them go out and play in the snow here in a second. Morning.
Good morning. It's a table.
All right. Good morning, everybody. We're kind of getting a late start. Looking outside, there's probably a good foot of snow that has fallen over the night. But we're trying to get breakfast going, get dressed, and get out of here so we can get on the slope and get this fun started. Tonight, we got all the boards ready, got them all waxed. Everything is out, ready to go, so we can just get dressed. And the ski resort is literally 2 seconds down the road, so. And this is what we woke up to. That was a freshly plowed driveway. I don't know if you can see under the car how much snow we've gotten, but snow's supposed to fall all day. All right, we're finally in the car. We're gonna head over to the resort. Oh, it's gonna be a fun day. It is snowing like crazy. Can't even see out the windshield. And here we go.
way when you're on the lift, okay? Come on, let's over here. Oh, there you go.
Good job, Owen. Good job, Lubby. You're doing good. You're doing good, Lubby. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Good job, Lubby. 1 second. Good job, Lubby. Slow and steady wins the race. You're doing good. Boop. Trying out the new board on the bunny hill. The baby hill. Hi.
Hey, don't put all your weight on one leg. When you do that, you make it really hard to turn.
Oh boy.
Stay balanced. I know. You get scared, you want to lean back. As soon as you lean back, you're screwed. The board's going to go straight.
I know.
Okay?
Good job, Macy.
Keep those knees bent. Stay centered.
She get back up.
I think she did on purpose, but she didn't want to hit that side. Or blue. Whatever. You're doing good!
Good job, Lovey. There goes Daddy. Goodbye, Daddy. Go, Lovey, go. Go ahead, Lovey, go down.
I couldn't stop.
No, it's okay. Come on, Daddy's waiting for you. Here, I'll go down and I'll wait for you too. Whoops. You okay? You all good? All right, flip your board around. You got it. Okay, be careful. There's other people coming in, okay? There you go. Go that way. There you go. Good job.
Do the stick again, please.
He's like, you're gonna play with me. Keep playing with me. Play with me, please. Play with me, please. Play with me. It's just gonna sit there with him. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. So it was super tiring and snowing like crazy the entire time. What little footage I did get from snowboarding is really all I could get. We were super tired last night. We just came home and ate dinner and pretty much just plopped on the couch all night. So we have packed up everything and we are getting ready to leave to go back into Seattle, and our flight leaves tonight. I have no idea what the afternoon brings at this point. We might just go to the airport and tour around and chill before our flight, or we may do something. I don't know at this point. We'll see what happens. All right, so we got our 3 carry-ons. We got our 2 bags. Everybody's got their backpacks, and we're going home with 1 extra bag this time because we picked up our snowboards here in Seattle, so we didn't have to pay for shipping. So we had to buy an extra bag to get everything home. But everybody is tired, looking dead, ready to go home. It's all right. Back at the airport.
Level 8 has only 1,400 spots available.
Only. Yep, up and away.
Are we going down in the theater then?
Yep.
Yay!
Okay, be careful getting off.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Okay, come on.
Yes.
Hop off. Da 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 da.
Mom, I just had a hit.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Why do you guys keep going around in circles? I don't know. We gotta take the train across.
Board here for N, C, and D gates.
Ooh. Are we getting on? Are we getting on this one?
When it gets here?
All right.
No. When you get on.
Train arriving. Please stand clear of the doors.
Okay, let people out and then we'll go in.
Board here for N, C,
All right, go in.
and D
Go in.
gates.
Go in. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Oh, that's the end.
Yep. There you go. Scoot up on.
Wait, that's the end?
Yeah.
Watch, going backwards.
Yeah, we're going backwards.
Are we? Darn it. Oh well.
The thing is, nobody understands.
Please hold on.
Here we go. You ready?
I'm not holding on to anything.
You're gonna go that way. So here we go.
A little bit less busy than it was last time.
Right? Then get scooting. I like how it says hold on after you already start going.
You're rolling. It's like, you just gotta hold on there. As you're flying across the train.
Right? Is that cool? Whoa. Don't fall down.
Not here.
Hey, so you're actually seeing where we're going.
Mommy just wanted to see us go forward. Callan wanted to stay on.
So wait for these people and then we'll get off.
Exit the D gate.
Ready? Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Go, Mama.
I'm going.
You gotta get off so they can get on.
So we gotta go over to this one?
Yep. Get on the side of the door.
Yeah, we just rode the yellow one and we have to ride the green one now. Hold on. Wait, Owen. There's somebody else. Now go. Go, 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 go.
Just pick it up, boy.
Yep.
I will hold on. I'll see how fast it will go.
You're gonna see how fast it'll go?
Looks like
Don't fall over, Lubby. Go, Lubby.
Remain on.
Come on, Parker.
Board here for D and C gates. Transfer to all other gates. Baggage claim and ground transportation.
Go that way. There's our airplane coming in.
You got that right.
And then we get to go home. Time to go home. You guys all ready to go home? No, you're not ready to go home? I'm ready to sleep in my own bed. You got that?